We are looking at the places where the curve C meets the x-axis, which means that we are going to be letting y to be equal to 0. And y, according to the question, is a of 2 sine theta minus sine 2 theta. So this is equal to 0. Dividing by a throughout the equation, we are going to be left with a 2 sine theta minus sine 2 theta. We have a theta, we have a 2 theta. Let's try to express all as a single angle. So let's make use of the trigonometric identity, changing this to 2 sine theta cosine theta. This is equal to 0. Dividing the equation by 2 throughout, 2 will disappear from the left hand side. And if we were to factorize out sine theta, we will have a sine theta 1 minus cosine theta. This is equal to 0, which means that sine theta, this must be equal to 0, or 1 minus cosine theta is equal to 0, which means that cosine theta is equal to 1. And theta that we're working on here, this according to the question, is bigger or equal to 0, less than or equal to 2 pi. So to solve for this equation, let's make use of the graph of sine theta. And from 0 to 2 pi, sine theta is going to be looking like this, the graph of sine y is equal to sine theta. So when sine theta is equal to 0, it will be here, here, or here. That will happen when it is at 0, pi, or 2 pi. So theta is going to be 0, pi, or 2 pi. As for cosine theta to be equal to 0, let's make use of the graph again. So using the graph, we will have something that is like this, from 0 all the way until 2 pi. And for cosine theta to be equal to 1, that will be when theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 2 pi. So here theta is 0 or 2 pi.